Good afternoon, my name is Duncan Hayward. I'm the Commercial Director of Accumix Concrete. Accumix Concrete has been delivering ready-mix concrete into the West Midlands for over 15 years. More recently, we've developed our market offering to include depots in the North West and the East Midlands. We're regularly working on road, rail and air sectors where we're either involved in new construction, building or repair and maintenance. We're able to offer national rapid set or dedicated supply solutions where we can tailor that offer to the contract required. We deliver product that is quality assured to ISO 9001. Our staff are fully trained and drivers are fully compliant with new legislation that covers the operation of volumetric concrete trucks. We operate a fleet of 15 vehicles that both deliver raw materials to our depots and finished product to our customers. Our product is reliable and delivered to a very high quality.